welcome to XTB's professional educational service. The world of Forex can seem like it's only for bankers and hedge fund managers, but our video guides are designed to give you an overview of financial markets and enhance your trading skills so that you can take control of your investments. Remember that you can always contact XTB by phone, email, or online chat. So let's begin our journey into the world of finance. You're probably familiar with the term foreign exchange, or you most likely have swapped currencies for a holiday or trip abroad at some point in your life. So let's start with the fundamental question: what is Forex? Put simply, Forex, also known as FX or foreign exchange, is the exchange of one currency for another at an agreed price. It's a decentralized global market where all the world's currencies trade, which means that trades are fast and cheap. It follows the sun around the Earth, opening on Monday morning in Wellington, New Zealand, before progressing to the Asian markets in Tokyo and Singapore. Next, it moves to London before closing on Friday evening in New York. Currency values rise and fall against each other due to a number of economic, geopolitical, and technical factors. Forex is also the world's most traded market, with an estimated average turnover in excess of $5 trillion a day. Compare this to the daily volume of the New York Stock Exchange at around $110 billion, and you'll start to understand why Forex is so volatile. Volatility means that currency prices are constantly fluctuating in value against each other, creating multiple trading opportunities for traders to take advantage of. That covers the basics of Forex, but there's plenty more to learn when it comes to the financial markets. Fortunately, we've got you covered. Thank you for watching. See you for the next lesson.